Hi everybody, welcome back. My name is Amy and I'm coming to you from the McAllen Public Library Teen Department. And today I'm going to show you how to make your very own Buzzmaker using just the stuff you have around the house. To make this, here are the following materials you're going to need. Colorful paper, an index card, some tape, scissors, rubber bands, markers are optional, popsicle sticks, and string. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, it's Leslie here, and I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to make your Buzzmaker. So first you will take your popsicle stick, or whatever material you decide to use instead, and tape your note card onto the popsicle stick. Make sure you give enough room to tape both the popsicle stick and the note card to each other. That's what mine looks like. I'm going to put that aside. And then I'm going to take my scissors and cut my piece of foam into strips. If you want, you can use pencil erasers instead of foam if you don't have any, but I found that the foam piece worked better for me. But you can use whatever material you have at home to try and make something that might work better for you than this did for me. So now you're going to take your strips of foam and fold it in half. And then once you folded it in half, you're going to wrap it around the end of the popsicle stick, like this. And then once you find a good place, you tape down each end of the foam bit to the popsicle stick. I already have some tape on the side, ready for me to tape down. Once you've done that, you're going to do the same thing to your other foam strip. You're going to fold it in half and then wrap it around the popsicle stick. And then tape it also on both sides. Make sure it's very secure. Now if you're using a pencil eraser, you don't necessarily have to tape it down, but if you like, you can if you feel like that might make it secure for you. Now I'm going to get my rubber band ready, but first we need to tie a piece of string around one end of our popsicle stick. So I'm rolling about maybe like a forearm or an arm's length of string. You can use yarn. I've just had string ready on me, so that's what I used, but do not feel afraid to try new materials and see what works best for you. It might even look cooler than this. So here I tied my string down about 2-3 times. 3 times best for me because you really have to make sure that it stays on for when we use it, because if it just flies out, you could totally hurt somebody, and you have to be really careful. So there's my string, then you take your rubber band, put it on one end of the popsicle stick, and bring it all the way to the other end. Make sure the string is underneath the rubber band, and here's what the final product should look like, and this is the part where you can decorate it.
So you might ask, what makes the Buzzmaker buzz? When you spin it, the moving air will make the rubber band vibrate in the same way moving air blowing over a flag makes sounds. The index card is responsible for amplifying these vibration sounds on your Buzzmaker. Thank you for watching our STEAM video. Share your projects with us by tagging your pictures or videos that connect with MPL and MPL teens. Tune in next week for another STEAM Sunday. Bye!